Okay everyone, Michael Williams here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for X-Men Apocalypse on Blu-ray. So, yeah. I saw this movie in the theater, so I have seen this with my bro. So we have Jennifer Lawrence, who plays by Katniss Everdeen, and the characters right here. Right here it says, loaded with extras, including deleted scenes and gag reel. The coolest superhero movies of the decade. So yeah. Here's the side, X-Men Apocalypse on Blu-ray. And here's the back with who's that guy right there? I can't remember his name. Method Entertaining. So I got the laser one. And the 2-disc set contains with the digital HD and the special features right there, if you can read them. But I'm not gonna read the special features to you. Alright. That's the same cover for the X-Men thing. The back's just slightly different. It's in boxes. I heard about that for a moment from Little Mermaid 2. There we go. So, this was in the theater last time. Oh, I just tossed it. You want? Let's push that through. Alright. Digital copy right here. Blank. And the Blu-ray disc. It has some artwork on the disc. In a 3D, it has some artwork. That's some awesome artwork I have on the disc. Dang. Okay. This is a perfect thing for that. And the case was blue, but doesn't have a color case or something. Let's move on to the DVD version like I did for the other Marvel films. So, yeah, alright. Got the same cover with the main characters in there, and it has same thing. We have the spine and the back. And look at the DVD. Alright, DVD disc. DVD. Come on, DVD. Come on, DVD. Come on, DVD. Oh, what? Oh, never mind. It's just the other plastic I've always done. Okay, DVD. You're gonna be... Alright, let's tape you off. And DVD, go. Come on, DVD. You can do this. Come on, DVD. Okay, DVD. Okay. Oh, stupid sticker. I had to do this for my DVD. Okay, DVD case. Open up! It's the same disc. Here's the disc for the main cover. And right there is the digital code, which I'm not going to show you. And you can't take that code from me, so yeah. Alright, so that's my unboxing video for X-Men Apocalypse on Blu-ray, 3D, and DVD. So, I'll see you guys later into my next video. Bye.